Alright, so I received a question that intrigued me also as well, no? Kasi hindi to masyado na itatanong, pero it's a given na parang stereotype ng isang musician, especially someone who learned music as a career or nag-music school. Ito, madalas na tinatanong is music study, no, entering music school, lessons, is it expensive, no? But actually the short answer is yes, mahal talaga siya. It's not really for everyone. That's why a lot of people try to bring it closer to the masses, no? Some foundations create scholarship opportunities or even free lessons for people. Pero ako, I always feel that music is something intangible yet is a good investment in yourself, no? Anything that builds skill, character, and discipline is a good investment, no? So ako, sharing this based on my experience, no, growing up as a student of music ever since nag-start ako mag-aral. So I started very young, no, at around 6 years old. I had lessons. Alam ko yung lessons ko noong time na yon would cost around, I think, 300 to 500 pesos. Growing up, yun yung range ng mga lessons. And I would have lessons pag summer, twice a week. Pag school days, every weekend on a Saturday, no? I'm really grateful kasi yung parents namin really pushed us kung anong gusto namin. Sige, support namin kayo. Paid for our lessons and all. So isipin nyo, from 6 years old to around before entering college, no? Kasi syempre, yung lessons no, lahat may bayad. Kasi outside school yan no ginagawa. No? So around what? From grade 1 to 10, parang ganun. So 9 or 10, 11 years kaming weekly nagle-lesson. So mahal talaga, 'di ba, kung iisipin mong ganun. But the trade-off was when you reach college is may mga scholarship opportunities that came up. Actually, high school pa lang ako, nagkaroon din ako ng scholarship opportunity because of my skill as a violinist, no? So, kung ganun mo siya nakikita, no, parang investment sa sarili mo because you are good enough, you have the skills to show for it, yung education ko became free, no? So, hindi na inisip ng parents ko yung pan-tuition ko, baon na lang, di ba? Kasi kung magti-tuition ka pa sa isang magandang school, no, private school, malaki din yung magagastos. So, nabawasan. Pwede ba natin sabing offset? Ganon. Pwedeng ganon, di ba? But, yun nga, it was an investment in my future to have this skill of learning how to play the violin. And natuto din ako, bukod sa pagtugtog, na maging disciplined, magkaroon ng routine, di ba? Maging on time. So, values din, no? Naituro niya din yon. And also, be able to earn at a younger age. So, I started teaching when I was in high school. So, I learned to manage my own money during a time na yung mga classmates mo, di ba, during summer, babakasyon sa ganito, or mag-meet and all, hingi ng pera sa parents nila. When I was in high school, I was making my own money. So, hindi ako binibigyan ng allowance during summer kasi malaki naman, for that time, no, malaki-laki naman yung kinita ko din sa pagtuturo. So, parang gano'n, no? Masabi natin na mahal siya, yes. May mga costs, upfront costs. Lahat naman ng bagay may bayad di ba? Doesn't have to be monetary. There's no such thing as a free lunch, ika nga nila. But during that time, pag I was able to earn something for myself, no? Nabibili ko yung gusto ko. Kung meron akong kailangan, hindi ko na kailangan humingi sa parents ko. Until such time, nung nag-college ako, ganun pa rin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung turo. Nagkaroon naman ng gigs, no? Doon ako nag-start mag-play sa mga events, orchestras outside, no? Outside school. So, hindi pa ako tapos ng college degree ko, kumikita na din ako. And I was able to attain free education, di ba? And baka akala nung iba, no, kailangan music yung kunin mo kung musician ka, Di ba? Pwede namang hindi. We have colleagues na engineering yung kinuha, merong mga accountant, no? May mga pre-law, pre-med, ganyan. Pwede rin naman yun, no? Through music, kumbaga, natututo ka pa rin to be disciplined and apply it to your everyday life. So, worth it, para sa akin sa na-experience ko, worth it siya. But, it's a case-to-case basis. Depende rin yun sa tao, sa environment, sa parents nyo, ganyan. 'Di ba? So, mahal talaga. Mahal talaga siya aralin. Now, kung magti-tuition ka, you want to start music school in college, medyo malaki ang tuition, no? Actually, nagulat ako nung nalaman ko yung mga tuition fees ngayon kasi parang around 80,000 pesos per semester na ata sa mga conservatories, no? Nung nag-aaral naman ako, mataas-taas na din. Sa UST noong time na yun, I remember, my highest tuition fee was around 65,000 pesos. Pero, swerte dahil nakapag-apply kami ng scholarship, ganyan. So, we didn't pay any amount on that, no? 65,000. Kaya sabi nila, mahal talaga yung tuition. Parang, I think, as far as I know, isipin mo 2012 to 2017, parang halos kasing laki na ng med school yung tuition fee ng music nung time na yon. So, isipin mo, mahal talaga siya kasi it's a skill thing It's skill-based. Hindi siya basta-basta nag-undergo ka ng course tas na ipasa mo, okay na. 'Di ba? You have to build credibility, you have to build notoriety, you have to showcase your skills as well para makita nila na okay, magaling to magturo, makakatulong to sa school natin or something like that, 'di ba? So, hindi natin maalis yung reality that it's really expensive. Hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yung instrument. We're just talking about tuition fees, 'di ba? So, yung instrument pa, isipin mo, sabi ko nga, 'di ba? 12,000 pesos a year on strings, 3,000 pesos a year on maintenance. Sa violin to sa ibang instrument, alam ko, mas mababa or mas mataas, depende. So, maraming gastos. But again, music training builds character. And kahit hindi mo ituloy tong career na to as a musician, madadala mo yan, no? Kahit sa corporate ka, kahit nga sa medical field, I know a lot of doctors, no? Or people in the medical field who are also good musicians, no? Na-apply nila yan. Yung pagiging sensitive mo sa mga bagay-bagay, yung ability mo to read, not really read the mind, but you read the room, ayan, yung sensitivity nga, tapos yung finesse or yung fine motor skills na nade-develop mo. It might not lead you to a career in music, pwedeng iba, but studies show, no? Maraming studies that have been done across the world throughout the ages, 80s, 90s, 2000s, hanggang ngayon, di ba? Maraming mga studies na lumalabas how music helps build character, helps in test scores, no? Kahit sa mga analytical. So, it really builds you up, no? Ito yung isa sa mga bagay na kapag ginawa mo, natutunan mo at minahal mo, ang balik sa'yo nito sobra-sobra pa, no? Sobrang daming work opportunities na experience ko. Nakarating ako sa iba't ibang lugar, no? In the Philippines and around the world. And that is something na hindi mo pwedeng i-equate sa pera, no? So, wag mo pang hinayangan yung gastos if you really want to become a good musician. Kasi walang musician na hindi gumastos talaga sa totoo lang. And one way, shape, or form you have to pay. So, is it expensive? Yes. But I believe it's worth it if you really put in the work. So, sana nakatulong to. And if you have more comments or you want to share your insight about this, comment lang kayo sa baba. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.